St. James' most wanted rifleman shot and killed by the police. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A third suspect believed to be involved in the attempted robbery of Fung Supermarket on 3rd Street in Montego Bay, St. James on Tuesday was shot and killed by the police on Thursday. He has been identified as Del-Llareu Duncan, otherwise called Rifleman. Duncan was on the police most wanted list in St. James, having been linked to several murders and violent crimes committed in the space. 30-year-old Del-Llareu Duncan was out on bail at the time of his demise. He was charged with the January 2022 murder of Chevine Stevens, otherwise called Alex, in Ocean Heights, St. James. That incident also resulted in 3 others being shot and injured. Beyond that charge, the police intelligence had linked Duncan to several other crimes committed in the St. James Police Division. 4 people were reportedly cut down by Duncan between August 23rd and October the 5th, 2024. Duncan was arrested on October the 5th following his last murder. But despite his arrest, he continued to rain terror from behind bars. Duncan's life of crime was cut short after he was shot and killed during a confrontation with the St. James Police on Thursday. 2 other suspects in the attempted robbery were fatally shot by the police on Wednesday. One was shot on Gowpeace Lane in Salt Spring Community minutes after 4 p.m. The second met his demise just an hour on Albion Lane in Montego Bay. The police say a pistol was seized in each of these incidents. The police has since commenced an investigation into the matter. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.